everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video I wanted to share with you guys my daily cleaning routine, the things that I do on daily basis to keep up with my house, so by the end of the day my house doesn't look like a complete disaster. If you're new to my channel, I do have a 10-month-old and also a 3-year-old, and they tend to make a lot of mess throughout the day, so I'm constantly picking up after them, cleaning up. I will show you guys in this video exactly what I do on daily basis to maintain my house nice and clean. I will typically go ahead and start cleaning up once I put my 10-month-old down for his first nap of the day. He is napping and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cleaning. The first thing I like to do is start with our room, so I'm gonna go ahead and make our beds, and then I will move down to the kitchen and the rest of the house. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it is free, and let's get started with the cleaning. It's around 2 o'clock right now. The both boys are taking their naps, and while they're napping I want to clean up a little bit. So I'm gonna start with this playroom area. So as you can see, the toys are kind of all over this room. This is where they usually are playing all day every day, so it tends to get a little bit messy. So I'm gonna go ahead, put everything back, clean up a little bit, so when they wake up they have a nice clean playroom to play in. And once I'm done cleaning here, I'm gonna move up to the kitchen. We did have a lunch, so I need to clean up after our lunch so the kitchen can be nice and clean for dinner time. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean those two things up before the boys wake up, and I will show you guys what else I do throughout the day. it is already 8 o'clock. I just put my little one down for his bedtime. Vincent is over there finishing his dinner right now. We had some soup for dinner, so that's what he is having. But typically this is when I will go ahead and do my nighttime cleaning routine. I actually just filmed my nighttime cleaning routine. If you guys haven't seen my last video I did after dark clean with me, I go into details of like what my nighttime cleaning routine looks like. So if you haven't watched it, be sure to watch it. I'll have like a little card right here. You can just click on it and it will take you right into that video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. But for my daily routine, this is typically what I do on daily basis. I try to keep up with the kitchen, do a lot of laundry, keep up with the playroom. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.